Hi, this is GP. Welcome to the tutorial. Today we discuss about jdbc. jdbc uses pure Java driver, type 4 driver to connect to the database. jdbc applications need to load the driver before getting any connection to the database. Database is the main entity where all the business logic, everything resides, data resides. Using jdbc API, such as statement and prepared statement classes, we can execute various different queries, different SQL queries. We use execute query method to execute various different statements like select statement, and also we have something called execute update related methods as well, which are there to update. Those are different types of SQL queries we generally use. The main difference between statement and prepared statement is statement always compiles the SQL, and before it executes it compiles the statement, while the later, which is the prepared statement, compiles the query just once and it executes many number of times afterwards. So because of that, it provides better performance. Prepared statements provide better performance as it compiles only once but executes many number of times afterwards. And also prepared statements provides more kind of flexibility to bind data as well. We have callable statements also, which are there to execute different stored procedures. So in enterprise, we use connection pooling as well, which helps us to optimize the usage of the connections. Basically, it maintains pool of connections with the database, and application retrieves the connection from the pool, and once it does complete the using of that, it will return back the connection to the pool instead of closing the connection. So the application servers usually configure these connection pooling related programs. Database transactions are used to group multiple queries into one single operation. So these transactions will either commit or roll back depending on the results we get based on the query. So we encounter a lot of problems while interacting with database, like dirty reads, repeatable reads, phantom reads. So a lot of these kinds of issues we come across, and transaction will provide us workaround to these type of problems. Also, we provide isolation level of the database to check any of the above problems are addressed by the database vendor or not. Thank you.